Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn card, which is another simple widget in Flutter app development. A card is a sheet of material used to represent some specific kind of information, such as a geographical location, an album, contact details, or many more uses. For example, here it is card is displayed with its shadow at the bottom and border. Some of the common properties of card are color, that is to set background color of card. Elevation, it decides the card shadow below it. It is double value and by default its value is 1.0. Shadow color, that means we can set color of the shadow. Shape, it is used to decide shape of the card. Now we will write code to design card on our mobile screen. So we'll start from the beginning. Select location and give app name, which will create default code. So I'll delete that default code and start writing material app in run app function. This material app has home property where I am writing home class which is of type stateless widget, and under scaffold I create app bar. So code for app bar and all this one code is created. So now I want to display card on the body. So under body I'll write card widget, which will have color property. First of all I'll set color, background color, which could be set by using colors dot. Then I'll can have other properties like shadow color. Even it has shape. First of all write code for shadow color. So again it can be set by using colors dot. Default is black color. Even you don't use this property, it will show light black color. I'll select another color, for example. Then I'll select another property, elevation. It is the size of a shadow. For example, I'll select 5.0. Then I'll use child property, because inside inside card I have to mention. So I'll use size box and mention size, width and height of size box. If you run this code, output is displayed size box with blue as a border, shadow. Now I'll change the shape. Before that I want to take it in at the center, so I'll wrap it inside a center widget by clicking it on the bulb. So it will wrap inside center. Now under shape I'll use shape property. I'll use rounded rectangle border widget, which will have these properties. So using border radius property, border radius, which takes border radius dot, I use circular, and in the circular I have to pass radius. So for example, I'll pass 10, and when I run, these borders are rounded one, corners are rounded one. Now I'll change it to 50. So it is more rounded, elliptical shape is generated. So like that, we can create card of any shape and size with child widget.